hey guys, I just got this brand new keyboard and mouse wrist rest set. This is going to be amazing if you work on a laptop or a computer a lot throughout the day. When you're working, sometimes you just want to rest your wrists right on here, but it's not very comfortable. This has like Tempur-Pedic style material, very soft yet supportive, and you can just easily rest your wrists right on it right here and do your work. Keep typing on your laptop or your keyboard and using your mouse so comfortably throughout the day. So if you work an office job, this is going to be perfect for you. It comes in so many different colors and it's really affordable. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like while I'm using it with my computer. Alright, so as you guys just saw, this keyboard wrist rest feels so comfortable. I am so happy that I got it. It's so useful and it's going to help me throughout my day whenever I'm typing on my laptop. So really recommend these if you guys are checking them out. Definitely buy this one.